everyone, welcome to our video. Let's begin with the book Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge of class 5 by Serifera Publications. Hello everyone, let's begin with a new chapter today and we will begin with chapter number 31, Daredevil Sports. Now the chapter says that identify and write the names of these adventure sports. So we are going to read about the following adventure sports and then write the name of these. Let's begin with the first one. The first is, it says that a sport that involves jumping off from a very high point like a cliff or a helicopter, wearing a special parachute that helps you float in air as you slowly recede downward. And the name of this adventurous sport is paragliding. Then on the second image we have another sport, and this is a sport that involves sliding on high snowy mountains with the help of long skis attached to the shoes, and the name of this adventurous sport is skiing. Third, we have another adventure sport, and this is a sport in which a person is being towed behind a motorboat wearing a parachute that drifts you up in the air as the motorboat speeds up. So the name of this adventurous sport is parasailing. Let's now move to the fourth one. The fourth one is a sport that involves jumping from a very high platform wearing a large elastic cord. So the person does not hit the ground, and this kind of sport is known as bungee jumping. Bungee jumping. Then the fifth image is this fifth image, a sport that involves swimming under the water wearing a scuba. The full form of scuba is self-contained underwater breathing apparatus. So what is this sport known as? This is known as scuba diving. Then the sixth image here is of people who are sitting on a raft, and hence a sport that involves navigating in a raft through fast currents on a river is known as river rafting. Then we have the seventh one, a sport that involves climbing up or down along the high natural rock mountains, and this kind of adventurous sport is known as mountain climbing. So these were all the adventurous sport that we have studied right now. Let's now see the quick fact. And the quick fact here says that the longest straight distance covered in a single paragliding flight is 5,029 kilometers. So the longest distance, straight distance that was covered by the paragliding flight was 5,029 kilometers. The next we have the your answer please for you children, and the question is, which is your dream adventure sport? Write the answer for this question here itself, and this is all here on this page. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.